In this quick tutorial today, I will show you how to flip a image in Canva. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So you can see I'm currently on canva.com. So the first thing I'm going to do is just load up a template and show you how to do this step by step. So what I'm going to do is just load up a thumbnail. So I'm just going to go for this one in this example. And what I'm going to do is click onto the customize button here. So this is what we're going to use in today's tutorial. Now, what you're going to want to do to actually flip the image is just basically select the image that you want to flip. So for example, I'm just going to choose this arrow here. And what you want to do is just simply click and make sure you've got the arrow selected. Once that's done, you'll see the option at the top in this little toolbar, and there's one that says flip. So what you want to do is give that a click, and you can choose to flip the image either horizontal or vertical. So I'm just going to go ahead and flip this one horizontal. So you can see that flips it horizontal. Or of course you can do vertical, which is this way round. And once you're happy with the changes, just go ahead and click off the image to apply the changes. Same can be done for multiple images within this template. So if I wanted to flip the picture of this guy, again, I would click onto the image like so, click onto flip, and then you would choose whether to flip horizontal or vertical like so. And again, once you click off, that's going to save any changes. So I hope this quick video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like on the video and did consider subscribing to the channel. For that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.